How to plant grass seed in an existing lawn. Planting grass seed in an existing lawn improves thinly growing grass and prevents warm season lawns from turning brown over winter. Also called overseeding, sowing grass seed in lawns is part of general lawn renovation, including controlling weeds, improving soil condition and supplying fertilizer. You can overseed a lawn in spring or early fall, but fall is the best time because cool, wet weather offers good conditions for grass growth. If overseeding a warm season lawn with cool season grasses for a green winter lawn, you must overseed in fall. Local college horticulture departments usually provide soil tests that show what fertilizers to apply when overseeding your lawn. Mowing, dethatching and aerating are essential steps to preparing a lawn for overseeding. Just before overseeding, but after a herbicide application, you should mow the lawn at the lowest setting on your lawn mower, so that the blades cut just above the soil, and rake up the grass clippings. Check the lawn for thatch, which is a layer of moss, dry lawn clipping and plant debris. If the thatch layer is thicker than 1/3 inch, do a hard raking or run a dethatcher over the lawn. Remove about 50% of the thatch from all over the lawn, leaving the rest to act as a mulch. Using a dethatcher helps cultivate the soil and prepare a seed bed for the establishment of lawn grasses. Aerate the soil with a lawn aerator to remove plugs of soil and help break up compaction so that air and water can penetrate to roots. The correct rate for sowing grass seed depends on the grass variety. For example, annual ryegrass Lolium multiflorum is a cool season grass for providing winter color in warm season lawns, and is sown at a rate of 7 to 9 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Perennial ryegrass Lolium peren, USDA zone 7 through 10 is a tough grass for high traffic areas, and is sown at a rate of 6 to 8 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Both of these grasses have invasive tendencies. In wet weather and with good aftercare, 95% of grass seeds should sprout and grow well. In dry weather, on thin, dry soil and other poor conditions, sow at the higher rate. Sow grass seed using a handheld, drop or broadcast spreader. Divide the seed into 2 portions and make 2 passes over the lawn, one up and down and the other from side to side, to ensure even coverage. Sow grass seed 2 to 3 times more thickly on bare patches. Grass seed needs fertilizer and regular irrigation to grow well. Before planting, apply lawn fertilizers according to the recommendations on a soil test report, or if no report is available, apply 2 pounds of potassium, 2 pounds of phosphorus and 1 pound of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. Lightly rake the lawn to a depth of 1/4 inch to work the fertilizer into the soil and to cover the grass seed. Roll a lawn roller over bare areas of the lawn with no grass to ensure good seed to soil contact, and water the lawn with a soft spray attachment on a garden hose until the soil is moist to a depth of 4 inches. Water the lawn when the soil surface is dry so that the soil stays moist but is never saturated. When the grass seedlings are about 2 inches tall, apply half to 1 pound of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet.